I am here in Zone 7A, straight in the middle between 6B and 7A, really smack dab center. It looks amazing compared to how it looked when I first planted it, but this new spear is coming out. This was brand new. This was nothing more than a nub when I first got it. This was barely opened up, but now it's looking pretty good. When I first got it, these were folded up even more, but they've slowly started to release as it's been coming outside of its transplant shock. But I put some before pictures of the day when I actually planted it. You'll see it's a really big difference of how it looked versus now. It definitely looks a lot happier here than in that container where it was. But yeah, it definitely was outside. If I had to guess the winter before, this one just seems completely like it froze off, but everything else looks pretty good. I mean, these fronds don't really have any damage. It has just about full sun, maybe 6 to 8 hours a day, depending on what month it is, but it's looking pretty nice. Nice trunk in there. I measured it the other day. It was about a foot. I'll post a picture in here as well. I'm located in Louisa County, which is about halfway between Richmond and Charlottesville. Richmond definitely gets 7B winters, I would say, by now. This past winter actually got down to about 5 degrees, so we definitely saw a 7A winter, but the 3-4 years before that, the average has been a minimum of 13, 14 degrees. 2 years ago, it was 13, and the year before that, it was 12. And then I want to say 2019 was 14 or 15 degrees, but nonetheless, definitely a very warm 7B or 8A, really. We'll see how this winter goes. But yeah, last winter it's definitely a chilly one. We didn't get much snow. We only got about, in a total of 4 months, I would say maybe about an inch. We really didn't have much other than a few coatings every now and then. But it's looking pretty good as of now. I know this soil looks a little dry, but I promise you, just a couple inches underneath, it's still very nice and moist. But yeah, in just about 2 weeks, we had this go from being very, very small, maybe even down to right here, really. And then this was pretty much closed up, if not 60 to maybe 70% smaller than what it is now. This one looks like a goner, though. I will say I'll probably cut this one off very soon, but I don't know. At the same time, it's nice to see its past of how it survived. Even the winter didn't really go too far, but it's not completely dead. It has this little green part, whatever that is. But hey, I'll take care of that soon. But yeah, this is how it is. I would probably put this at an age of about 5 or 6 years old. Very pretty palm. I have some more coming in just a few more days, but I wanted to make a video on this one. It's really something spectacular. I also wanted to give it at least 3 feet of space from the house because I wanted to make sure it would expand as much as it needs to, but that might even be too close. I might even regret making it 3 feet away, but hey, hopefully I'll get some type of residual heat from the side of the house during the winter time. But very nice background for this palm tree, it really is. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are ready for the zone pushing journey. It's really going to be a fun time. I also do have some pindle palm seedlings on the way. I want to see just how they look, how they react to our sun, our humidity, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys stick around for the next video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.